Hi, my name's Anna and this is La Cubanita Cocina. Today we're going to be making flan and we're going to be using my Nana's recipe. So let's get started. You're gonna need 4 eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a can of condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the caramel that goes on the bottom of the flan, you're gonna need 1 cup of sugar and the same amount of water. And now let's get started on the caramel. You're gonna need 1 cup of water and then 1 cup of white sugar in a medium saucepan. You're going to put the temperature on medium-low and you're gonna let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until the color starts to turn golden brown. After that, you're going to transfer it into your flan tin. So now that we've made the caramel, let's make the custard filling. So I'm going to put everything in my mixer here, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna put our eggs first, and we're gonna mix. And I poured it over a strainer just so I can get any egg particles that might have been left over. I do this because if I don't, it starts to taste kind of eggy. I've made a lot of custards and I figured that this was the best way to do it. I put it in a flan tin. I like to put it in a bain-marie, which is basically a water bath in the oven. It's used for more delicate desserts and it helps the custard stay put. So I'm going to put this in the oven now at 425 for 1 hour. And here's the finished flan. I'm so excited how it came out. It is so jiggly and delicious. I can't wait to bite into it. Ideally, you would let this cool for 2 to 3 hours, so it's like nice and cold, but I really wanted to try it like this. So I'm gonna try it right now. I'm really excited. The texture is perfect. It's delicious. I really hope you guys try this and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this episode of La Cubanita Cocina. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell us what you want to see for the next episode. Thank you, bye! Hey, cameraman, do you want to try this?
Sure.
Come on, cameraman. Try a bit of this. It's warm. It tastes different when it's warm, but it's still really good.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah.
You killed it. I don't even like flan. Wow.